Everybody know that. So, oh, Kartel have you call him out and say him born a rapist. Oh, him have you on tour. Spice, uncomfortable with you on the tour. Because remember, say you grape she too. I choose she don't want to talk the story. True, oh, she shame. She don't want nobody believe say something did really happen. So she act like she not here. She ate it like poison. You grape she too. Remember, she did drunk. She never agreed to nothing.
Okay, boom. It's a tip. Because you know what and what? A tip. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, welcome back to the channel. You don't know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know the story ain't complete. I've made it up on the beat and you can see on the screen the viral king selector and king of MCs are going at it. Mr. Master, and the last time Foota hype won MC Nuffy, he said, do not mention his name or to him thinking old mouth. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People Foota hype just exposed all of MC Nuffy nastiness. As you heard in the beginning, he talked about Dancehall Queen Spice being a victim of MC Nuffy. And he also mentioned one lady named Patsy daughter that is a grown woman right now. And she is ready to spill the beans how MC Nuffy did the unthinkable to her. He said, and we're not done yet. People Foota hype exposed Vybz Kartel basically bench MC Nuffy. That's the reason why you don't see him around him. And if you do see him around him, like, you know, the charity thing, I itch him because him stuck at Jamaica. Yes, people, one a bag of unleash and gone at this, you know. One bag of unleash him because MC Nuffy go on like same love man more than him wife. That doesn't even want to deal with him no more. You see, my people, that was a long introduction to just do the right thing and like and share the video from now. And let's hear what I go on for that to go on. Come on now, gonna lie, my people. Why?
Ansel and Gretel, them don't know if you ask a real question. Because if them want to ask a real question, instead of them ask about me, them say ask you, why? You're stuck at Jamaica right now. I don't know for the future. But ask them to ask you, if them did know nothing about the street, and know where I go on with the street, them would have asked you why you stuck at Jamaica. And for you go England the last time with Kartel, I know you can't reach back in America. You go Small Island and you go back at England and you can't come back in America all know. I that them fi ask you. I that them fi ask you. Them fi ask you a sensible question. Them fi ask you why your wife not like you. The girl who you married right now, MC Sucky, why she not like you? She said she can't deal with a man where act like him love man more than how him love she. And that make your wife a war. The woman say her old dry up. To how you frightened for Kartel her old dry up. To how you going like you and Kartel a fuck like you suck Kartel with her old dry up. Tell the people them that. And that the fix for ask about. And that them for ask about. Remember Shorty. Not Kartel baby mother Shorty. Shorty from Fort Lauderdale. MC Sucky. Shorty from Fort Lauderdale. And one of the Fort Lauderdale people, them remember who me at her. Them kill her friend on a truck stop. That Shorty there. Remember, you used to have to name her front to stay in her house. You boy, we have to eat front a foreign to find place to stay. Oh, you have to talk to me. Big Boaz boy. MC Sucky. Oh, you have to talk to me. You name out Fort Lauderdale, then you go Connecticut, go name out Connecticut, then you name down Philadelphia. Remember the little short brown Trini girl in New York. She walk and talk over and she get eat her, you the best man name her. And she name Yankee, she name African, she get name from all different nations. And she say you name her the best. You can talk to me about girl thing. If my baby mother want to fuck a million man, that have nothing to do with me. I fear her catches, I fear her old. Me and her left long time. She can do anything when she want. And yeah, criticize the girl. But yet still, as she a boss a run down. And I carry all over the world. You know, she say, I love my rubbish. Anything when me talk, I love call me name. Anything when me dash you and put down, I run with. And this is not even about my baby mother. Yo, people are going to look for MC Sucky all video them. I look at MC sucking new video them. I wonder why him mouth a move so. Go look and see it not two different operations in mouth are going with. Remember, me have diabetes, you know. Me have health issues and complications, you know. See, me is a stroke victim, you know. Bell's palsy victim, you know. Him not have none of them something there. So how him mouth and move so now like a hoodie night all the time? Or why him look like a hoodie night mouth all the time? Him not have no illness, him not have no sickness. Him hunger sickness, him name too much. Him eat too much crutches. Ask anybody in New York about the little Trini girl who him a name down. One brown Trini woman. Eh? Anyway, me not done with it yet. The two lunatic them, from the fix, Ansel and Gretel. Every time when I guess them come from the show, when I have to ask about Foota hype. When you hear good thing, when the guests them attack good thing, when you not emphasize on it. But anybody when you hear attack bad thing, when you run come. Why you not do no homework? When you not interview people? You know, say on a show would have make more sense if when they ask Nuffy say, why Kartel this year England? Cause MC Sucky are going like say, him and Kartel good. Are the best you know put outside. A friend here look, if you get stuck at Jamaica, the DJ in a chat to you, or when you see the DJ come at Jamaica, the giveaways you run got itch up. And I do two video like you and the DJ good when you know the DJ now want to see you. DJ run away at England. Gaza fans, dancehall fans, you know, if you open on the eye. You don't notice that the first show at England, at MC Sucky, call out Kartel on the first show. Who call out Kartel on the second two show them? You now look, you just make be nice every day and say, Gaza, you now watch it program. Ashani B and Ricky Platinum call out Kartel on the next two show them. You now ask why. You don't ask why. Because I'm running a big stinking MC Sucky. Big shithouse MC Sucky. The DJ diss him again. And when them get this, them can't talk. Cause them boy are some dick rider and dick sucker. You can't chat to me. You ever seen a boy style me? Whether artist or promoter or nobody, me run with anybody and go stand up by myself. Cause me have my own brand, me have my own boss, me have my own general. You have to kiss Kartel ass and run back a Kartel and ball far with Kartel. And yo, I'm show you why I'm telling you, say, uno make Kartel look like one big batty man. You and the little cokehead one and the one with the Walmart car make Kartel look like a big batty man. See? You go at the store and I do your foot and your finger and I jump up, boy, hey, watch out. My daddy said me come do my nails. Daddy said me come do my foot. So you're a batty man. You'd have to wait for 13 years to come from prison. So you're a man, pay for do your nails. And you turn on live and excited about that. And you want to chat about me? Big batty man. You ever see man a brag about man pay for do them nails yet? That's why your wife not like you. Your wife say you move like batty man. You move like she a side chick. You make the girl feel like a side chick. That's why she not like you. Wish man turn on them phone and pal off to the world. Say man pay for do them nails. You know, she said Puff Daddy buy 50 cents to a bunch of flowers and 50 a mash up him career all now. Eh? Big batty man like you. MC Sucky. At that nightly fish for ask you about. Ansel and Gretel for ask you about them things. But you them don't know nothing about the street. Them just claim so them a do interview them don't know nothing. Them go England or they and the whole England about them interview the wrong people them. Them no interview Andrew Fresh. Them no interview movie star Johnny. Them no link up Raga Rookie. Them no link up, what name? Roddy Harry. Them no link the real people, them. Them no know what to do. They don't know about street. But them here, Foota hype name, them skin catch a fire. Can we give them extra views to them program? This big idiot boy now, MC Sucky, tone it down. Tone it down, Foota hype. MC Sucky, over Cumberland, the lady named Patsy Lee, where you grape and molest her daughter from her daughter 11 years old. MC Sucky, you rape and molest Patsy Lee daughter over Cumberland when she a 11-year-old. She a big woman now. Turn on your life or make a post and say a lie me a tell and see if me not turn on back alive here when me done this and try the case from yesterday with all relevant witnesses. When me done the live here, MC Sucky, turn on your live and say to the public, say a lie me a tell. Or make a post on your Instagram and say a lie me a tell. And see if me not try the case on the blood clot Instagram here with the relevant characters. You raped the girl when she 11 over Cumberland she come from. She named, her mother named Patsy Lee. Say a lie me I tell. That's why I wonder, oh, you is a serial rapist from Portmore. Your boss say him burn out rapist and have you a call him out all over the world. And he is not a alleged rapist. He is a known rapist in a Portmore. Everywhere. Everybody know that. Everybody know that. So, oh, Kartel have you a call him out and say him born a rapist. Oh, him have you on tour. Spice, uncomfortable with you on the tour. Because remember say you grave she too. I choose she don't want to talk the story. True, she shame, she don't want nobody believe say something did really happen. So she act like she not here, she ate it like poison. You grave she too. Remember she did junk, she never agreed to nothing. So, remember, at the wrong man on a ramp with you know. You, your boss, the whole out, you know say me know more than the public, you know. Don't make me bring down the whole out. And me I gotta stop blood clot, preserve something for the big idiot name front, MC Sucky. Turn on your live. Now wait for Eckland Jekyll. Now wait for Ansel and Gretel to call you. Turn on your live and say a lie me a tell. And make me turn up the scheme and show you. Come to know who you feel like you can style me. Big up my son Oshan. I him responsive mother now. My son a big man. My son a 19, I got 20. See mother actions and my responsibility. I care less as she want to do. And him have to talk to his mother about that. You that on social, oh God, look, my boss, my daddy said me come do my nails. So you couldn't get your nails do. Or your hand do, or hand shall or one foot shall. Zine, see all the people in my comment, your mouth look stink. When you go look for Nuffy video them, before Kartel come home, and look for Nuffy video them now, since Kartel come home. And look how his mouth operate. And him not have diabetes, him not have cancer, him not get no stroke. Just go take a old video with MC Sucky and take a new video with MC Sucky and put the two of them together in one collage and look how his mouth a move. And see it now and different to the mouth now than how his mouth did stay before. How this a call me in a group call? Me not take no blood clot call now, you know. Zin? Go look for MC Sucky mouth, how it operate before. Zin? And how it mouth operate now. Put it now on collage and put the two videos them beside one another. And see say something damage him mouth. And him not a stroke. And like me, we get Bell's palsy because of my diabetes and them look at something there. Go and look. Something mash up MC Sucky mouth.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Boy, you know Nuffy hard-headed, you know, so he's definitely going to respond to Foota hype. And when he does, we'll be sure to let you know what I want. So do the right thing and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already to be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.